Are you still creating company reports manually every single day? Now imagine this. You entered a new data in Google Sheet and within a seconds a complete professional report is automatically generated and emailed to your manager. No typing, no copy pasting, no manual work. As an employee, one of the most repetitive and time consuming tasks is maintaining records and creating daily or monthly reports for managers. You update sales numbers, performance data, team records, and then again spend extra time writing professional emails and reports manually. It wastes hours every single day. So to solve this problem, I have built a smart AI automation using Pabbly Connect, where I have integrated my Google Sheet with OpenAI and Gmail. See, this system automatically converts new Sheets data into a professional business report and instantly sends it to the manager completely automatically. Let me show you how this works in real time. So here's my Google Sheet where all company records are maintained. Now watch carefully. As soon as I entered a new sales performance record, automatically, with the help of this action step, OpenAI, ChatGPT analyze the data and create a professional report, and Gmail instantly sends to my manager without me touching anything. Let me show you this too. See, automatically I received a new mail and it is generated by the ChatGPT. And I want you to know that this report is designed as a complete example. You can customize it based on the prompt. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this workflow. So see, this is the Pabbly Connect workflow builder page. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/connect. See, Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that helps you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing a single line of code. After doing the sign-up process, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. Once you do the sign-up process, you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and after that, you have to click on the plus create workflow button that are present on the left hand side. After clicking on that button, give your workflow one name and you will successfully come in this page. That is the starting point of creating your workflow name as trigger. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of amazing workflows for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now you will see this is the starting point of creating your workflow name as trigger. Trigger says when this happens. This is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, my objective is that whenever I enter the new record in my Google Sheet, then automatically this automation gets triggered. So for that, I'm selecting my trigger application as Google Sheets. After selecting the application, the app event I'm selecting as new or updated spreadsheet row. Next, I'm clicking on this connect button. See, it will provide me one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below that how you can connect your Pabbly Connect account with Google Sheets. At first, I'm copying this webhook URL from here, and now I'm going to take you to my Google Sheets. See, this is the sheet where I have entered all my records. So for making a connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheet, you have to click on this extensions option and click on this add-ons. After that, click on this get add-ons and search for Pabbly Connect webhooks in this search bar and install this Pabbly Connect webhook. Once you install it, it's going to be appear here like this. You just have to go in it and click on this initial setup button. Here I'm going to make a new setup. So at first, I am removing the previous one, and in this field I'm going to paste this webhook URL that I have copied from the workflow. After pasting the webhook URL, you have to enter the trigger column. See, trigger column is the final data column where the data is added. So in my sheet, the trigger column is K. That's why I have entered the K here. Next, I'm clicking on the send test button and you will see I have received the positive response. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. So automatically I received a new response that includes all the leads that were entered on the first row of this sheet. See, after doing this setup, you have to click on the submit button, and I want you to know that you can also send the complete data that are present inside your Google Sheet to Pabbly Connect. So for that, you have to click on this extensions option, click on this Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on the send all data button. Once you click on this button, each and every record that were added in this sheet is going to be sent to the Pabbly Connect. But here I am selecting the send on event button because I want to send the record one by one. But with the help of this option, whenever I enter the new row inside my sheet, it will automatically send to the Pabbly Connect. So you also have to make sure that the send on event option is always active. As we have received the response, this means that the connection between our Google Sheet and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of our Trigger application is completed. Moving forward, I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. For that, I'm searching for it in the search bar. After selecting the application, the app event I'm selecting is generate response using text input. After that, I'm clicking on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. But here I'm making a new connection, so I'm selecting this option. Next, it will ask me to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, I'm going to my OpenAI platform. See, this is my OpenAI platform. Now for generating this API token, you have to click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. The project I'm setting as default project and the permission I'm setting as all. Next, I'm clicking on this create secret key button and see I got my API key. Here I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. Now I'm copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, I am clicking on the save button. And see, this is how easily you can connect your OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. Next, the model I'm selecting as GPT-4o Mini. Here I'm selecting this model, but you can select anyone from it completely based on your own choice. After selecting the GPT model, I'm entering the prompt in this field for generating a professional report. Here I have added the prompt. I added this prompt by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own imagination. Here my objective is only to teach you how you can do the automation inside Pabbly Connect. Now in front of each of these fields, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Google Sheet. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, means you can enter a new record every day. So for capturing each day's information dynamically, mapping is used. To do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in front of this date field, I am doing the mapping of date. See, it is mapped. After that, I am doing the mapping of total sales. See, here I have mapped all the data. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time when you add a new record, it will change. After that, the processing background mode I am selecting as immediate returns the full response right away. Slow are not recommended. After that, the response format with two quick options, name as simple in advance. If you want to receive a response in simple format, then you will select this option. If you want to receive a response in advanced format, just like a flattened key value, structure data or an array, then you will go with this option. Here I am selecting the response format as simple and clicking on the save and send test request button. You see, I have received the positive response and the daily business report too. It is fully structured based on my prompts and the map data. And I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. As we have successfully got the daily report that were generated by the OpenAI, this means that this step is also working perfectly. After that, I am selecting my next application as Gmail because I want to send a mail to my manager. Next, the app event I'm selecting as send email and clicking on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. Here I am making a new connection, so I am selecting this and clicking on the sign in with Google. After that, the Pabbly Connect is asking me for my permission, so I am permitting it by clicking on this continue button. And this is how easily you can connect your Gmail account with Pabbly Connect. Next, I am entering the sender name as founder. I have entered this name by my choice, but you can give it completely based on your own business. After that, as soon as you can connect your Gmail account with Pabbly Connect, it will automatically select the sender email address in this field. Next, in this recipient email address field, I am going to enter my manager number manually because I want to send the mail only to my manager every time when I added the new record. Here I have entered my manager email address. Next, the CC, BCC and reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving these blank and entering the email subject in this field. Here I have entered the subject as daily sales and performance report. After this, I want to add the date. So for that, I am doing the mapping starting off date from the previous application. Here I have mapped and entering the email content in this field. Here I have entered as good evening. Please find today's business performance report below. After that, I am doing the mapping of the response that I have received from the OpenAI. Means the report that I have generated with the help of OpenAI. So for that, I am still clicking on the application and searching for the reports. See, this is the report that was generated. So I am simply selecting it. This is how easily you can do the mapping. And again I am saying that I have done this as a dummy example. You can customize it. And not only these applications, you can integrate multiple applications by using this single tool. After that, the email content type I am selecting as plain because I entered this email content in the plain format. Next, the labels I am selecting as inbox. After that, if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can attach it from here. Next, I am clicking on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the positive response. Now I am going to check my Gmail account to see whether I have received a new mail or not. See, automatically I received a new mail 0 minutes ago. That includes the exact same report that I have mapped in this email content field and all the details too. This means that the connection between our Gmail account and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and our workflow is completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. With the help of this automation, whenever you add a new record inside your Google Sheet, automatically with the help of this OpenAI, a daily report is generated, and with the help of this system, it will send to your manager daily. So no manual work. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.